Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong gabing ito ay tungkol po sa press release na inilabas ng Securities and Exchange Commission. Ito po ay tungkol sa pagdeklarang permanente ng SEC doon sa inilabas nilang cease and desist order laban po sa Casa Infini Group. Ito pong press release ay inilabas kahapon November 22, 2023. Basahin po natin yung nakalagay po sa press release na inilabas ng SEC kahapon. The Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC has made permanent the cease and desist order or CDO against Casa Infini Builders and Realty Company Limited, Casa Infini Realty Management Company Limited, and its affiliated entities. In a resolution dated October 31, the Commission and Bank affirmed the issuance of the CDO against Casa Infini, effectively denying the company's motion to lift the order. The Commission and Bank issued the CDO against Casa Infini on June 8 after the SEC Enforcement and Investor Protection Department or EIPD found the company and its officers to have been actively selling securities in the form of investment contracts without the proper secondary license from the SEC. Casa Infini enticed the public to invest in their alleged real estate projects in Baguio City either as a buyer investor or partner financier. Investors were promised a guaranteed income of more than 33,000 pesos per month for 20 months, with the company assuring the public that the investments collected were supposedly financing the real estate properties that it owned, managed, and operated. Section 8 of Republic Act No. 8799 or the Securities Regulation Code or SRC expressly prohibits the sale or offer to sell and or distribute of securities without the proper secondary license from the SEC. In its motion to lift the CDO, Casa Infini argued that the solicitation from investors is not a scam since its project was supported by a license issued by the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development. The group also denied being a Ponzi scheme, noting that the referral fee is paid and incurred not by the investments of new partners but by CI Builders itself because of the acknowledged benefit that the program will have for the business. Further, Casa Infini noted that no damages were being reported by any of the company's partners, which supposedly showcasing that the partner financiers did indeed receive the expected returns, proving the authenticity of the promised profits. The Commission and Bank dismissed the arguments of Casa Infini, maintaining that the group was offering securities in the form of investment contracts to the public without the necessary license. Mga kababayan, dapat po tandaan nyo na bago po mag-offer o mag-solicit na investment sa publiko ang kahit na anong kumpanya, dapat po meron po muna yung secondary license. Tapos yung depensa ng Casa Infini na meron daw silang license sa Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development ay hindi po sapat yun dahil yun po ay para lang po sa pag-construct ng mga real estate projects or pagbebenta po ng real estate properties. At hindi po yan lisensya para manghingi o mag-offer ng investment sa publiko. At ang isa pang depensa ng Casa Infini na madalas nating naririnig na wala pa naman daw nagrereklamo na investors dahil lahat daw ng investors ay natatanggap yung payout. Alam naman natin na sa umpisa wala naman talagang nagrereklamo na investors dahil nakakatanggap pa sila ng payout. Ang problema lang sa mga too good to be true na mga investment schemes, sa umpisa may payout pero sa dulo po ay nagkakaproblema na sa payout hanggang tuluyan na pong mawala ang payout at yung mga pasimuno ay tumatakbo. Kaya hindi po batayan na dahil wala pa nagrereklamo na investors ay legit ang operasyon ng isang kumpanya. Rule 26.3.5 of the Implementing Rules and Regulations of the SRC defines investment contracts as a transaction, contract, or scheme whereby a person invests his money or another person's money and or property in a common enterprise and is led to expect profits primarily from the efforts of others. Consistent with the broad definition of securities, the term investment contract should include and cover all forms and varieties thereof which are known or considered or ought to be known or considered to be such in the financial world. The Commission and Bank said. The SEC cited the 1956 case of State versus Silverberg in the United States, which determined whether an interest is considered an investment contract or an interest in real estate. Here, the Ohio court ruled that if the purchaser is to partake of the gross proceeds or net profits of enterprises managed by those disposing of interest, the instrument involved is held to be an investment contract. The Commission and Bank decision further finds support in the 1946 U.S. case of SEC versus W.J. Howey Company, where the U.S. Supreme Court established the flexibility of the Howey test and its capability to adapt to meet the countless and variable schemes devised by those who seek the use of the money of others on the promise of profits. The Howey ruling was later adopted by the Philippine Supreme Court in the case of Power Homes Unlimited Corporation versus Securities and Exchange Commission. In this light, the Commission and Bank concluded that the scheme perpetuated by Casa Infini is a bona fide investment contract, especially considering that the partner financiers expect a profit from their initial investments. Under the foregoing legal precepts and parameters, an investment contract is considered to exist once it is determined or shown that the proponent is offering to the purchasers an opportunity to contribute money and to share in the profits of the operations, the Commission and Bank said. Wherefore, premises considered the verified motion to lift the cease and desist order filed by Casa Infini is hereby denied for lack of merit. The cease and desist order dated June 8, 2023 is hereby made permanent. Mga kababayan, kung patuloy pa rin po na nag-o-offer ng investment sa publiko yung Casa Infini, iwasan na po ninyo yan. At kung kayo po ay nakapag-invest na dyan, humingi na po kayo na refund at ipakita po ninyo yung cease and desist order na inilabas ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban po sa Casa Infini. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.